Hello guys, good evening. I want to show you something because my hair is too much itchy because there are too much white hair already, you see? Oh my god, I'm old. I'm old. I will show you guys how can I take this one. I have one for kid. See? This. Oh my god, you see, oh? I cannot take. Very difficult to take, guys. Here, maybe. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I am 11 years here in Saudi. Then my hair is coming, small, very small white hair. Oh my god. Meaning to say, I'm old enough. Oh my god. I'm afraid. Like kutu. I don't know what the English of kutu, guys. But oh my god, very itchy. Very itchy, guys. When I saw, I said, where my hair is very itchy. Maybe have dandruff. Then I changed my shampoo. Tapos, when I changed my shampoo for dandruff, I buy for dandruff. I said, no, you cannot also. Then, when one day, I have friend to come here in my room, sleeping. He is sleeping here, housemate of baby of my employer. Now I said, can you check my head, because my head is very itchy. I don't know what happening. Maybe my baby too much dandruff. He said, okay, no problem, sister. Then she make like that. She said, oh, sister, you know the problem is not for dandruff. You don't have dandruff. Your head is very clean. But you know what the problem? She said to me, don't yuck. That's worse. Is I'm afraid. What is this? He said to me, oh, you are old already. Huh? Why? He said, too much hair is small white. This is the roots why she said my head is very itchy like kutu. Oh my god. Now, how can now I will remove this? Oh my god, like a kutu, guys. When I saw her in front here, I can remove little because not too much. I can remove here in front, but there back, how can I remove? Oh guys, I don't know what I drink. Then the itchy, maybe no, maybe this is the meaning of my old. Guys, no. Bye guys, because I want to remove little my white hair because I'm itchy. Bye guys. Mwah. I love you all.